Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 199. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 7. 7 covering both of these boxes, so 1, 5, 1, 5. And that means that the only place our 7 can be is here. If we look at this box, we're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 9. 9 here, so 6, 8. 8 here, so 6, 9. That means the only place our 8 can be in that box is here. If we look at this box, we're missing 5, 6, and 9. We've got a 5 covering these two boxes, 6 here, so this is our 9. That 5 makes this our 6, 5. And that 6 makes this our 9, 6. For this row now, we've got 1, 2. We're missing a 3. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. And for this box now, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 9, 2. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 8. 8 here, so 1, 4. 4 here, so 1, 8. That means the only place our 4 can be in that column is here. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 5. 5 covering these two boxes, so 1, 9, 1, 9. That means the only place our 5 can be is here. If we look at this column, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 covering these two boxes, so our 7 has to be here. But I don't see any other help. So 6, 8, 6, 8. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 6, no help here, 1, 4, 6, 6 here, so 1, 4. For this column, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 7, 5 here, so 3, 7. 3 and 7 here, so this is our 5. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, 5, and 8. We've got 2 and 5 here, so 1, 8. 5 here, so 1, 2, 8. But if we look at this column now, the only place the 2 can be is here, and the only place the 8 can be is here. That 8 makes this our 6, 8. And we can get rid of the 6. And now if we look at this column, the only place the 6 can be is here. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got 3 and 7 here, so this is our 1. I don't see any other help. So 3, 7. For this bottom row, we're missing 1, 4, and 8. We've got 4 and 8 here, so this is our 1. That 1 makes this our 8, 1. And that 1 makes this our 4, 1. For this box now, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. And for this row, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 9, and no help here, 3, 7, 9. If we look at this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got 2 and 3 here, so this is our 6. 3 here, so 2, 3. For this top row now, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got 1 and 5 here, so this is our 7. 1 here, so 5. 1, that 1 makes this our 5. That 7 makes this our 3. 7, 3. And we can get rid of this 3. That 1 makes this our 9, 1. For this row now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. And for this box now, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 9, 2. That 9 makes this our 7, 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.